Greetings, everyone. My name is Isi Mabuza, an agricultural sciences specialist. I know some of you knows me. I want to share a little bit of a revision with the grade 11s, more especially those who are going to write their media examination on Friday the 16th. And my main focus on this revision will be on the short questions, the multiple choice, as well as the one-word questions. So we're going to do it in basic chemistry as well as the soil science. Right, so the first question reads, it's a multiple choice. An atom has 19 protons and 20 electrons in the nucleus. There will therefore be how many valence electrons in this particular atom? And we know that the valence electron is the outermost electron, or the electrons that are found in the outermost shell. So since this atom of ours has 19 protons, to maintain its neutral, it will supposed to have what? 19 electrons. So how are we going to determine the valence electron? It's simple. This atom should have 19 electrons arranged in this way. We're going to have 2 in the inner shell, plus 2 in the second shell, plus 8 in the third shell. This one will give us a total of 18. The last fourth shell will have only 1. Then the answer in this regard is D. Number 2, the smallest form of a matter that can exist alone. So this one is a description of an atom. And this atom is also described as the structural unit of a matter, or the smallest unit of a matter. We know that. 1.1.3, the small group of atoms within a molecule that are responsible for certain properties of molecules and the reaction which are taking place. So smallest group of atoms within a molecule, these are functional groups. Like for an example, if you look at this type of of alcohol, this alcohol, this one is a 2-carbon alcohol, and this functional group determines the properties of this particular compound or of this particular molecule. So this one is made up of what? Of 2 atoms. An atom of oxygen and an atom of what? Of hydrogen. So this group of atom will actually be responsible for certain properties of this molecule of ours. Then the answer here is a functional group. Number 4, the statement below does not apply to the following group of elements. And as you can see, these are elements that are found in group 1 of the periodic table. And group 1, we have alkali metals, which are elements that are highly reactive because they need 7 electrons to complete their octet, or they need 7 electrons to maintain to maintain their stability. So the statement says the below apply to the following elements. So which statement here apply to these elements in group 1? They are alkali or does not apply. These are alkali metals. Yes, they are in group 1. They belong to group 1A and has 1 valence electron. Yes, it's true. And I said these elements are highly reactive. So the one that does not apply to this one is C. Only element in group 7 and 8 are non-reactive. They are halogens and the noble gases. Next one, number 5. The chemical substance consisting of one type of atom that cannot be broken down. This one is an element. An element, it has only one atom and cannot be broken down by any means. Number 6, element with equal number of protons but different number of neutrons. We describe this as an isotope. Isotopes are elements that have equal number of protons but different number of what? Of neutrons. Like the one that we had on the first question here. This one is an isotope. Look at the protons, they are 19, and the neutrons are 20. So this element of ours will be an isotope. Number 7, an atom with one or more extra electron. Let's look at it. This one has 7 electron, which is negative charges. This one has 7 proton that are positively charged. Overall, this atom of ours is neutral. Then it happens that this atom, let's say this one is atom X, this one is atom Y. It happens that atom X has an extra electron, let's say plus 1. So overall, atom X will have what? 8 electrons that are negative, and this one will have 7 protons that are positive. Overall, this negative charge overpowers what? The positive. Then overall, this atom of ours will be what? Negative. Then what we call a negatively charged atom or ion. This one is called what? An N-ion. The answer there is D. 8. The number of protons in the nucleus of an atom is indicated by the atomic number. The atomic number, this one gives us the number of atoms that are found in a particular atom. Number 9, the subatomic particle. We know that an atom has subatomic particles. There are subatomic particles that are found in the nucleus. We have one that is positive, we have one that is uncharged. We have subatomic particles that are found outside the nucleus in the shell that are negatively charged. So the negatively charged subparticle of an atom is called what? An electron. The positively charged is called a proton, and the uncharged one is a neutron. Then the question is talking about what? A subatomic particle that is neither negative nor positive. This simply means that it is uncharged, and therefore this one is our neutron. Number 10, the valence electron of an element with a mass number 27 and an atomic number of 13. Remember, we said number of protons or protons, atomic number determines what the number of protons. Now this atom of ours have 13 protons, which simply means that we will have an overall 13 electrons to maintain its neutral. Therefore, since we are having 13, let's count. In the inner shell, we are going to have 8, 2. In the second, we are going to have what? 8. Overall is 10. In the outer last shell, the valence, we are going to have what? 3. And the answer here is D. Number 10, halogens or hydrogen and helium, they are found in the period they are found in group 1 of the periodic table. So this one, they are part of what? Of the alkali metal.